Hello, and welcome to the Leisurely Learning TextHelp PDF Reader series. In this series, we go over in depth how to use the various parts of the TextHelp PDF Reader to best support your students. In this video, we will be looking at how to change the language within the TextHelp PDF Reader. This makes it a very useful tool for both FSL and ELL learners. Let's get started. All right, so we're actually going to start here. Here we have a document. It's an English document. Imagine I was giving this to my ESL learners. I want to make sure they can have full use of the Translate tool. So what we need to do is we need to go over here to the right-hand side where we see the three horizontal dots. We're going to go and click on Options. Our language is currently set to English. We need to go into translation and we need to do two things. We need to check that the source language is English, so that's what the document is written in. And then we need to look at the target language. Now, unfortunately, the PDF reader only has a limited number of languages, so we'll do Spanish for right now, and we'll click Save. Now, when your user goes in here and picks a word and goes to the translator,
leyendas.
It gives them the word in Spanish. Okay. Now, if we're talking about an FSL learner, we need to actually be looking at French documents. So here I have a document, a PDF in French, and what I'm going to do is I want to make sure that this has the full functionality of the PDF reader, but in French. So again, I'm going to come over to the three dots on the right-hand side. I'm going to go to Options. And I'm going to change a bunch of things here. So I'm going to go into language and I'm going to change that to Français. I'm going to go into translation and I'm going to make sure that the source language is Français or French and the target language is going to be English. Okay, and then under speech, I'm going to go in and I'm going to change the language to a French speech language. I'm going to use French Canadian Amélie. That's what we recommend here in the York Region District School Board. And what I want to do is I want to look at the voice speed. So typically the French voices tend to speak faster, so we probably want to slow this down just a little bit, and then we want to press Save. Now when we go in, we have the full functionality of all the tools.
Attention aux avalanches.
But in French.
Canada.
Dictionary, picture dictionary, and if students can't determine the meaning of the word from the picture dictionary or the dictionary, they can always use the translator, which translates it into English. The benefit, of course, of this translator is that it goes word for word as opposed to doing the whole document, so it really forces the student to do their thinking in the language that they should be learning in. So that's our video. If you have questions, use the link below to access the TextHelp PDF Reader video question form. Be sure to leave an email so that we can respond to your questions. Thank you for watching.